Welcome back, 11 plus legends. Okay, look, place values. They can look kind of tricky at first glance, but guess what? There's a total cheat code for them. By the end of this explainer, you're going to see just how incredibly easy these questions actually are. We're going to unlock the patterns, breeze straight through worksheet 1, and make absolutely sure you never get tripped up by a random decimal or an extra zero ever again. Let's get into it.
Level 1. Spotting whole number digits.
So, what's the thousands digit in 7,946,251? Honestly, this one's way easier than it looks. When you get a massive number like this thrown at you, here's a pro tip. Always use commas to read those huge numbers faster. Just mentally pop them in. Now, find that very first comma from the right and just count left from it. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. And there it is! The answer is 6. Nice work. Quick, simple, and totally painless. Now watch the place values carefully on this next one. We need to find the hundredths digit in 9,631.482. The big secret here? Never just guess. Always start right at the decimal point. Once you spot it, move left into the whole numbers to find your hundredths. Jump with me here. Ones, tens, hundreds. Boom, the answer is 6 again. See? That was super simple. If you just follow the visual steps, you literally can't get it wrong. Moving on to level 2, cracking decimal place values. Now, most students completely miss this detail. What is the tenths digit in 4,189.763? Notice that little th at the end of tenths? Yeah, that's your biggest clue. Find your decimal point and just move to the right exactly one spot. Tenths, with that th, is always the very first digit immediately after the dot. And that gives us 7. Easy points, right? Never let the decimal side of a number intimidate you. Okay, here's where they actively try to trick you. What is the hundreds digit in 5,728.14? Look really closely at the word hundreds there. Did you spot it? There is no th at the end. It's hundreds, totally solid, not hundredths. Always double check the word carefully before naming the value. So we're taking our arrow and moving left from the decimal. Ones, tens, hundreds. So the answer is 7. You're getting seriously fast at this. Always read the question twice to dodge those classic test traps. All right, watch carefully. What is the hundredths digit in 845.697? There's that sneaky th again. Start at the decimal point. And remember the golden rule here. Hundredths always means the second decimal place. So we just jump 2 spaces to the right. 1, 2. And there we go. The final number is 9. Perfect. You've officially mastered level 2. Let's level up. Level 3, expanded form hacks. Here is the absolute quickest way to handle expanded forms. We've got 604,080 equals 600,000 plus a blank space plus 80. Want the ultimate shortcut? Just cancel out what you already have. Mentally cross out the 600,000 on both sides. Now cross out the 80. What digit is left standing in the original number? That 4, right? And it's sitting right there in the thousands place. So the missing piece has to be 4,000. Nailed it. Honestly, why do all the heavy maths when you can literally just visually spot the difference? This next one is basically just a simple puzzle. 71,849 equals 70,000 plus 1,000 plus blank plus 40 plus 9. Scan the main number from left to right with me. The 7 is covered. The 1 is covered. Stop right there at the 8. The shortcut here is to just match that 8 to its exact position, which is the hundreds place. Which means our answer is 800. Nice work. You are absolutely flying through these. Let's speed run this one. 93,652 equals 90,000 plus a blank, plus 600 plus 50 plus 2. Look at our main number and let's zoom right into the digit 3. It's the only one missing from the expanded side. Here's the easy trick. Since the 3 is right there in the thousands place, just write down your 3 and add 3 zeros. That makes our answer 3,000. Too easy, right? Once you see the pattern, you honestly cannot unsee it. Okay, notice something interesting here. The blank is first. 18,437 equals blank plus 8,000 plus 400 plus 30 plus 7. Don't let the blank's position confuse you. They just rearrange the puzzle to try and mess with you.
Let's look at the very first digit of our main number, the 1. Now just count the numbers right after it. 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. That means we need exactly 4 zeros. So our missing value is 10,000. Brilliant. They tried to mix up the order to slow you down, but your logic held strong.
All right, last one. Let's finish strong. 56,324 equals 50,000 plus 6,000 plus 300 plus a blank plus 4. Scan those numbers. What's missing? Look right at the 2 in the tens position. Always check your zeros to match the place value. A 2 in the tens place just needs one single zero.
And that gives us 20. You completely crushed it. That entire worksheet is done, just like that.
And this brilliantly illustrates how simple maths can be when you break it down into clear, visual steps instead of just staring blankly at a textbook. You have the tools now. So, before we wrap up, I have one final challenge for you. Apply our left-to-right scanning trick to this massive number. Can you find the hundreds digit in 8,432,961.05? Keep your eyes sharp, double-check for that sneaky TH, and keep practicing. I'll catch you in the next explainer.